You are welcome to today's special class. We want to look at a complex root. This involves, that is, the complex root involves the real and imaginary roots or value. The real value will lie on x-axis, while the imaginary root lies on y-axis, lie on y-axis, but introduced by operator J. In simple terms, J cross J equals minus 1, while minus J cross plus J is 1. But we are making use of this under complex root. J cross J is J squared minus 1. So make J the subject of the formula, square root both sides. So if we square root both sides, we are going to have minus 1, square root of minus 1 here. Anywhere we see square root of minus 1 under complex root, we change it to 1, we change it to J. Example, solve the equation x squared plus 10x plus 30 equals 0. From this end, x squared plus 10x plus 30 equals 0. By the time we want to use factor method, this time this is 30x squared. There is no factor convert made that we can sum together to give us this. Therefore, factor method will not go. Let's now use formula method. By formula method, we say that x equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, what is a, what is b, what is c? A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, while c is the one without variable x. So we now have to supply the value. So our x will now be minus b, which is minus 10, plus or minus root 10 squared minus 4 times 30 will be 120 all over 2 times 1. So this will give us minus 10 plus or minus root 100 minus 120, giving us over 2. That will give us, that implies minus 10 plus or minus root minus 20. Now we have negative inside the root. Sometimes we say it's not possible to solve, but on complex root we can go further. So we can split this minus 20, which is the same thing as minus 1 times 20 all in square root, then plus or minus, then we have minus 10 here equals all over what? 10. Then we split it. That will be minus 10 plus or minus root minus 1 root 20 all over 2. That implies, if that is the case, this is 20, then this one we can have this as J, operator J. So we introduce, that will be minus 10 plus or minus J root what? 20. And this root 20 can also be split. It will be, when we split this, that will be minus 10 over 2 plus or minus, when we split this, it will be 2 root 5. Then we put a J here, the imaginary, over 2. So this implies s equals minus 5. This cancel this one. This is 5 plus or minus J root what? 5. So therefore, x equals minus 5 plus J root 5, or x equals minus 5 minus J root 5. So exercise, working exercise, you can take this home and work this on your own. A squared minus 2a plus 3 equals 0. So you can try this, whether you can work it with factor method or any other method rather than complex root. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please, you can as well prepare very well for another special topic on the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and